Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's a beautiful day today. It may be baby cold, freezing, but the sun is out and that's what we want. I think we'll go and find a nice lake for a few hours, and then we'll go pick up Brooklyn and we'll head to a campsite. Ooh, it is really nippy though. A slight change of plans because Callum needs a couple of things to take away with us for our Umrah. So we are going to pop into the Metro Centre, I think, before we do anything else, and get a bit of shopping. I'm currently doing the one job everyone hates, and it does take up a lot of your time. Because it's such a small space, you're always cleaning. Well, I'm always cleaning because I hate looking at it and it being absolutely a mess. It just makes me feel really uneasy, so I'm always tinkering about and tidying up here and there, but it's nice. I do like being in the van. I'd rather this any day. So yeah. And when you think about it, it's not a big area to clean, is it? Not really. So quite blessed in that sense. I haven't got a whole house to go and clean. That's a really nice thought. But we're not there yet. Any tiny little space is going to get lots of grubby little marks. Beats doing a whole house though, doesn't it, eh? I'd rather do this every day than the house. You'll find so many more people at the moment are moving into their vans, aren't they? A lot of people at the moment. That's all I keep seeing, is people are tired of our country raping us, our own country raping us, looking after everyone else, but not looking after its own people. Did you not want that bit? Disinfectant wet wipes in the van are absolutely essential. Hey, we've come to is it Watergate?
Watergate, yeah.
Watergate.
Even though I keep on going up that skate.
I think it's Watergate Forestry area?
Yeah.
Yeah. While we're waiting for Brooklyn to come out of school, of course she's in school today, so we thought we'd bring Shadow up here, go for a nice long walk. It's beautiful and crisp. It is cold, but it is really nice.
It won't be cold on Tuesday, don't worry.
No, Tuesday will be baking hot. But yeah, it is a really lovely walk, even in the winter. Watergate Forest Park is located on the site of the former Watergate coal mines. Following reclamation work in the 1990s, the site has been transformed and now provides a haven for wildlife and great recreational site for visitors. The park's got many features to look out for: wildlife, flowers, sculptures, streams, waterfalls, a series of trails, paths that take you through the woodland, around the lake and wildflower meadows. What are you cooking, Babs?
Duck.
Duck. We're having duck and pancakes and fried rice.
Still recording, are you?
Alright. Well, you're cooking, what can I say?
Yeah.
People are going to think you cook a lot.
I do. All the time. Every time I'm in the van. Every time I've been in the van. And you're doing these videos.
Well, when you don't, it's been a couple of times you cooked the dinner, but generally I do the cooking, but it's just that I forget to put the...
Well, let's takeaways while you're talking about.
Oh, I do cooking quite a bit. And we've got a restaurant. Yeah, we go to restaurants, don't we, and get food. You like going to restaurants. And takeaway, yeah, we sit in the van and we get Just Eat to come to us. Ooh, look at that duck. Nom nom. That is quite a lot of duck, isn't it? Mm. Yeah. Doesn't look like rubbish duck either. It's not got all the skin and everything, sort of like mostly fat and skin and stuff. That's not bad, is it?
Duck.
Proper. How beautiful is the sky. Look at the moon and the stars. Wow. It's totally magical at night. Oh, this video is not doing justice. Shadow, are you coming in? Come on in. Come on in. He's like, fuck off. This is my kind of weather. You're not getting me in off this. Are you not coming in, Shadow? Come on in.
You got no chance.
No. Oh, he's looking at me like I'm stupid. This morning I'm going to take the dog for a lovely walk and we're going to find the King's Stone Circle. It's not too far from this campsite. And I'll show you this campsite because it is a little gem actually. So off and all the wonders we go. And maybe this afternoon there's 2 waterfalls that we can go and find. So that will give us something to do today. So off we go. Let's go and find these stones. over so crispy. We can't find the same circle. No. But we'll keep trying. We might find it. But I'm steaming up. I'm so hot. But it's still -7. I have not the energy to go climbing up another hill. So we'll have to see that one another time. Look, it's so cold. His beard is freezing up. Shadow after his walk. No way he's coming into the van.
You dwarf mate might even have to duck. You go through there, you may just get through.
What, this bit?
This way, I think.
And I won't. No, I won't have to duck much. Very little.
Brooklyn doesn't have to duck.
Because I'm little.
Ta-da!
That's like a tree tunnel.
A big tree tunnel. It says the path's right here, but there's no path through to the waterfall. Have a look. Can you see a path through there? I can't see a path through there. We found the path. We've actually found the path to the waterfall. Just traipse through the forest. It's absolutely, oh, I bet in the summer it's absolutely amazing out here. It's glorious now. It's cold, but it's beautiful. We found it. This is incredible. Have you seen it? There is nothing I love more than a good waterfall. I could spend hours here just sitting here watching the water. And with all the ice as well. Oh my goodness. Look how much it's frozen.
Look at the icicles on the top there as well.
We found some moo-moos.
He's a bull.
He's a bull.
He's a bull.
Hello, Bully. Hey. Hello.
No.
Come on in. Hello. 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 Don't. Are you Mama? How? Back at the van now. Absolutely exhausted. That was a long hike for me. So plenty of rest now before I have to do dinner. That was so worth it though. I love my waterfalls. I love coming across waterfalls, and we had to go on a bit of a detour to find that one. So we were out a few hours. I'm dead now. Chill now. Had to come back home because it's suitcase packing time. We're going away tomorrow. Well, we have to head down to Manchester because we're going in the van. And we're going to park it down at Manchester Airport for Tuesday. So we just like to go down early so we know we're near. We'll stay overnight somewhere. But I'm so excited. Oh, just getting the case ready is just gives me an incredible feeling. We have some shoes. We have new slippers because I know the floors, I won't be comfortable walking on them without anything on my feet. And socks with the non-slippies at the bottom and another pair of flip-flops. I think that'll do, apart from my trainers in case it rains. And here I've got my dresses. I have a million hijabs and I have some trouser suits as well. So I'll be taking a mixture, and I've also packed a couple of jumpers in case it's too cool in Medina. So I'm nearly there now. I've only got a few more things to put in the case and it's all ready to go. Oh my God, how excited am I?